So back to show you guys the schematic, the schematic within the schematic. How I was showing you uh the smaller accumulation schematic within the higher reaccumulation schematic. So I noticed how the market, had a little downtrend, then it moved sideways or whatever, and then it bought up. So this would have been another potential entry for us. Uh, so say for instance, boom, sheesh. So you got your PS, the last relatively lows that was looking out. Climax, your ST, your automatic rally. Okay, so you guys see this? So you see how the ST it closed and formed higher than the SC? You want to see that. Like that is perfect to see in accumulation because that's early indication as the price wants to go up, price wants to buy, price is bullish. And you see how it broke, the high two at the same time, the automatic rally. That's indication as price is bullish. So it plays along with your accumulation schematic. Uh, just like let me see, go over ST, ST2, could do STB. Don't really have no spring here. That's fine. You still get an entry without the spring. Uh, and same thing, lower time frame LPS. Where you would have caught the entry off of the yellow zone I was showing you where it was the breaker. So as price rallies up, it did the impulsive move up. That it's just play along as all right. You can ride the buyout. So let me go back to the distribution matic. I was showing you guys that first. But so it's like back to the distribution schematic I was showing you that was forming. So it's like you got the U tag, so you like what can you do now? So for the people that wants the precise entry, wants to get in at right as soon as the market rush. Wait, if this is the successful U tag, then go down to the smaller time frame, see if you can spot anything. And that's why I say the smaller time frame is your friend. So I'm always down on the 1 minute time frame. So this is the U tab part that we were just looking at. And it's another around the bottom. I mean around the top. You hear me? That helps plays along with your distribution bias because you see how price is moving. So it's like with this is the 1 minute time frame. With this being the highest, the highest high you count the week of the market at this area. Then boom, the U tag Price come up, you hear me? Do the test. So now you just wait for mark that up as your supply zone, or you can say bearish order block, or the interest, sponsor candle, all the same thing, just different names. If you want to, that's like how big is it? That's about that candle not even more than a pip almost. 0.7 pips. So that would have been, you probably depending on whatever broker you're with, that you could have had a 5 pip or less, down there almost 2 pips or less stop loss with a sniper entry, because you see price sold away and then they bought directly up to the tip of that order block and sold off. So and sometimes uh same as accumulation or distribution, you can have multiple STs, you can have multiple tests sometimes. It's bound to happen. So 15 your test off of that 1 minute order block. If we play it back some, and it's like price is not, pricing is doing nothing but giving you more opportunity after opportunity. Another mini lower time frame supply zone. If price, that's if you want to stack your entries, and prices, in a bearish downtrend, bearish market structure with the downtrend. Uh, so let me zoom out some so we can see it. All right, let me stop that. So as you guys can see, price went to what, this area right here. Well, it ramped through it. So you probably would have took what, 21733, less than a pip. Less than a pip hit. Less than a pip stop loss. And price, tested your first supply zone up here, and then it sold back down. So you would have been good on your first entry. The entry you tried to stack would have took an L on it. Uh, Let me speed it up some. So boom, I'm gonna go down to another time frame so we can see the rest of this play. So let me delete the first block. Your entry is your if you wanted the perfect entry, you would got in up here, sniper entry, yellow box, price did the U tag, I say both of these could be the test because price tested that supply zone. Price came back up to test that supply zone 2 more times before it started taking off with a bearish market structure. So if price keep on selling, ain't doing no shoot. It ain't doing no more making LPS. LPS one. I wish there was an easy way to where I can don't gotta retype it. How you do the clone? And price continued to break market structure. So it would have been another sign of weakness you would want to see. And we want to see how the rest of this schematic play out. You want to, as soon as I would have started distribution schematic forming, I would have got out that little buy. So you would have scalped for out 30 pips and then rolled the buy probably for like another 30 pips. So it's like, hear me, right? Hear me. You basically just bought to sell using a mixture of strategies. Mainly Wyckoff. But let me go down some. Ah, shoot, here we go, right here. So boom, that's exactly how the rest of it played out. LPS, even though price came out back to it, and I would call it a shakeout right there. Shakeout. So now I hope that I hope that was like a better understanding for some of you to understand that it's always the market is a fractal. So what you see on one time frame, you see on another. It's always supply zones and within a supply zone, or order block within an order block, or break within a break, or schematic within a schematic, or you know, same with higher. I mean, it's higher lows, and it's higher lows and within higher highs within higher lows, or higher lows within lower lows. Just as you go down the time frame, what you see on one time frame, you will see on another, and that's exactly how you kill both sides of the market. Easy peasy. But so far, I said that's everything today in this video, so I'm gonna wrap it up.